what a loan officer does?
A loan officer is a licensed professional who should be an advocate for you, and your initial contact with the bank that you're trying to obtain funds from, whether that be a broker or a direct lender bank like us. Basically what we do is we are the person that can do the pre-screening, that can maybe identify any things that need to be improved with your situation without going straight to an underwriter, divulging everything, and then shooting yourself in the foot. We help position you and put you in the best possible situation to buy, get the best rate possible, and have the smoothest transaction possible.
So how does the buyer interact with you to start the process?
Typically, a buyer will reach out. My business and what we shoot for is referral business. So most of my business either is someone who has talked to an agent that's worked with us, or possibly a friend or family member that's worked with us. They get in contact with us. We try and every single time. I prefer to meet face to face. I love working with home buyers in our local market because building, we share a lot of information, and you're going to get very, very personal. So why not be able to sit across the desk from somebody and get to know them?
Okay, so specifically, what do you do in the process? So let's just say I found you online, I call you, and then suddenly you're going to look. First of all, you're going to find out what we qualify for.
Exactly.
That's the first step, right?
There's basic information that's required in applying for a loan. We're going to ask you about your job, your employment, income, to your residence history, your assets, any issues that you may have on your credit, whether you've had a foreclosure in the past, a short sale, which does not disqualify you from buying. There's ways to buy even if you've had that, a bankruptcy, so on and so forth.
Actually surprising right now how high your credit score can reach in a very short period of time after a short sale.
Yes, so what we do is we will collect that information. We will verify that information through documentation, whether it be tax returns, W-2s, pay stubs, bank statements, and we'll pull your credit. And the sooner that you talk to us, the better position you're going to be in, because if there is something, and oftentimes there's mistakes on the credit, we can identify those, and free credit repair is also something that I do for my clients.
So that's kind of your consultant